Alright, let's talk about the comeback that literally no one saw coming. Indie Sleaze is back, baby. If you're scrolling TikTok and suddenly you see grainy party pics, skinny jeans, and a wild mix of neon and leather, you're not having a flashback. This is the 2025 revival, and honestly, it's kinda epic. So what even is Indie Sleaze? Picture the messy, grunge-inspired vibe from the late 2000s to early 2010s. Back then, it was all about thrift finds, disco pants, leather jackets, and shoes that looked like they survived a music festival. The attitude? Zero cares given. It was raw, chaotic fun before everything got filtered and curated for Instagram. And trust me, the music was just as loud as the outfits. We're talking The Strokes, LCD Sound System, Yeah Yeah Yeahs, Crystal Castles, MGMT, Michigan, even Daft Punk. These bands brought indie rock, electropop, post-punk, and dance together in a total party mashup. So why is Gen Z obsessed now? Honestly, it started on TikTok. In 2021, trend forecaster Mandy Lee called out the comeback. And boom, the whole aesthetic got its own Instagram community. Suddenly, everyone wanted in on the gritty flash photography, American apparel fonts, and wild party energy. Even if you don't know the OG artists, you've probably heard the sound somewhere on your FYP. Spotify saw it too. Their Indie Sleaze playlist blew up. 344% more followers in just 5 months last year. Gen Z is craving that messy DGAF energy in a world where everything feels so polished and performative. It's all about just having a good time and not caring how you look doing it. Now, meet the new faces of Indie Sleaze. The Dare, aka Harrison Smith, pretty much owns the neo-sleaze moment. His track Girls is a total anthem. He really blew up after producing Charlie XCX's Guess last summer, which Billie Eilish remixed and took straight to #1 in the UK. The Dare's debut album, What's Wrong with New York, dropped in September 2024 and sent his Spotify listeners soaring by 2,000%. And he just finished his first Australian tour this month. Artists like Snow Strippers, The Help, Frost Children, and Coco and Claire Claire are making waves, while the OGs are having a moment too. The Strokes jumped to 16.5 million monthly listeners, LCD Sound System is still headlining festivals, and Vampire Weekend just dropped a new album. The world feels intense and everyone's looking for something real, fun, and a little bit reckless. Indie Sleaze was always about that DIY, anything goes spirit. No rules, just vibes. If you're feeling burnt out by the endless scroll, maybe it's time to throw on some golden disco pants, blast MGMT and join the party. Because honestly, it's not that deep. Just have a good time. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.